we're back with another tutorial. I'm pretty obsessed with peachy tones, so I'm going to take you through how to do this natural foundation look with the light peachy smoky eye, and I'm going to talk about my current favorite products that I use pretty much daily, and that's it. Let's get started with the tutorial. So we're going to start out with primer. This is the RX Hangover Primer from Too Faced. And foundation. For foundation, we're going to use the Glossier Perfecting Skin Tint in Medium. I'm pretty obsessed with this foundation because it's like a medium coverage, but it's really buildable. So it looks really natural, just like your own skin. And for concealer, I really love the Glossier concealer. It's the Stretch Concealer in the shade Light. This concealer blends in so well to my skin. So I just use it under my eyes and on any blemishes that I want to cover up, and it's great. So just blend that concealer in with your finger. And powder. So I love using powder puffs, so that's what I'm using. And I know that that container looks kind of janky, but it's just the Ben Nye Colorless Powder. And I just apply that on any part of my face that tends to crease or get oily. And yeah. Now for blush. Another favorite Glossier product is the Cloud Paints. I own quite a few of them. This one's in the shade Puff, and don't be intimidated by the fact that it's a cream blush. They just look way more natural, so apply it with the back of your sponge, and it's great. And something that I always do is my brows. Another Glossier product. I think it's their most famous one. It's the Boy Brow. I use the shade Brunette, and this stuff is truly amazing. You just comb it through your brow hairs until your brows look full and shapely, and yeah, it really just fills them out. It's awesome. Now for the fun part, the smoky eye. So we're going to take this Sweet Peach palette from Too Faced and take the shade Bellini, and we're going to apply that all over our lid with a flat eyeshadow brush. And then we're going to move on to the shade Georgia with a fluffy brush and just diffuse that into your crease. And we're going to use the white peach palette as well for this. We're going to go in with the color Peach Suede with a pencil brush, but a fluffy pencil brush. And we're going to concentrate that more in your crease, but still diffuse it outward. Then we're going to go in with Candied Peach, back to the OG palette, with the same brush and concentrate that even more on the outer corner. And back to the white peach palette with the shade Sweet Fig. Take a tiny little brush and blend that in your lash line. For mascara, I use the Bad Gal Bang It Mascara from Benefit. And now we're going to do some highlight. This is the Urban Decay Illuminated highlight. It comes with a cute little brush, which I love. So just apply it to all the high points of your face. Anywhere you personally like to apply highlight. I always do my cheekbones, my nose, my chin, my brow bone, my inner corner, and my cupid's bow. For the lips, I like this cherrybalm.com lip balm from Glossier. It smells incredible, and I love that it's tinted, so it gives you a nice sheer color on your lips. I really don't like wearing lipstick, so this is a great way to get some color there. And for the glossy part, this Glossier lip gloss is so shiny and so cute, and I love that it's not sticky or gluey feeling like a lot of other lip glosses. So it's amazing. So that's it. I'll put a list of everything I used in this video in the description down below. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and head over to my Instagram. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you next time. Bye!